in there. Arsenal. Arsenal followers, you know, they are all going, you know, for the parade. Look at that. Look at them people there. Look how busy it is. Arsenal followers. In London. London is red. Look at that. It's all Arsenal today. It's all Arsenal today. It's all Arsenal today.
Excuse me, I'm back. Because you see National Rail is where we need to be, right?
But National Rail is this way.
Right, but then when I went down, it was just more trains, like underground. When we're not going that way. It's only taking us to another line. Let's just go out. Let's go out.
I don't think so. What's that line?
I won't know till I go upstairs, so I might have to go upstairs.
Should we wait?
Say again?
Should we wait here? Champions! Oh, I missed that. Champions!
Arsenal, Arsenal.
Champions!
Where did they go? Sorry.
You say champions. Oh.
See the new ones?
No, there's one in front.
Yeah, that's the one I've got. €18, Bulgaria.
Yeah, it's a shiny one.
All you see is red today. Look at the champions here. Look at that.
Let's move down the platform.
I'm just walking to go look for food. I'm so hungry. I'm so sorry. Let me see what's happening down there. I don't know if you can hear that. It's Arsenal supporters, Arsenal followers. Look in there. It's all Arsenal today. It's all Arsenal.
It's so fun. And then there's a part where you can jump off.
London for itself, it's so busy today, you know. There's football, Arsenal versus Crystal Palace, and also Arsenal are going to parade their trophy of being a champion. So it's quite a menace. You see, everyone is wearing like Arsenal regalia, because you know it's a London team, so London is red today. Congratulations to Arsenal. Well done, Arsenal. It's been a while since you were on top. I hope you stay like that. So Arsenal today. It's all Arsenal today, guys. It's all Arsenal today, guys. Well done, champions. Well done, well done, well done, well done. It's all Arsenal today. This is all Arsenal. Get in there! Arsenal!